What is up, everyone? We're back in the garage today, and we finally have our first addition to the Bronco that we're going to do. We got some decals in today to try and match the black diamond blue, which didn't really turn out the way I wanted it to. It's pretty close. It's a little bit lighter than the black diamond blue, but we're going to put those decals on and show you what it looks like. So we got these stickers from Sticker Fab. Those are for the hood, and obviously we got the letters. So here's the first one. We kind of did the heat gun on here so you could still see max load, 150 pounds. I don't know, you can't really tell, but we tried our best. But here's the blue for black diamond. So we're pretty close. It's a little bit off, but as close as I could get. The other blue might have been a little bit better, but we already started working on the grill. So I don't know, I think it'll look good. I got two sets, so we might take the grill off and paint the backgrounds black so that you don't see the white. But it's kind of nice having the white in the back because the top of the black diamond has a white mountaintop. So I don't know, I might just keep it like that. Let's put the rest of these letters on and see what it looks like. They do provide you with alcohol wipes to wipe down like any of the places you're going to put stickers on. I already did all the letters on the grill, so we're just going to jump straight into putting the stickers on, and I'll speed that up because it's a pretty simple process. I just turn the heat gun on once the sticker is on, just to like make sure like any corners that are going over a round piece will just lay flat. There's the O. Looks good. It's glossy. It's just a little thin. You know, I don't know what I was expecting. I think I was expecting a thicker sticker, but it's like really thin vinyl. So as far as like exterior stuff, it might not hold up to like harsh weather or washing the car. So I guess we'll keep an eye on that. Interior wise, it might be okay. You know, wipe it down, be careful. But on the outside, I don't know how it's going to hold up being thrown in the wind and the rain and all that. But let's finish these letters so we can see what it looks like. There you have it. All blue letters on the front of the Bronco. It's not bad. I don't know if it was the color I was really looking for, but think it'll look good once we get like some more accents up on the hood, and I put those. I got some stickers to go on the inside right here as well, so it'll look just like these ones. But I'm not too mad about how that turned out. It looks pretty good. We got the Ronnin 50 cal bullet antenna to replace this ugly long one. So let's install this thing. For those of you who don't know, all you do is twist this off. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Boom. That ugly thing, throw it away. Put this one on. Right. It comes with 2 different sizes for your antenna mount. Here's a bullet. They put their logo on there. I don't know which way it'll face. When I did it on my truck, it faces backwards, so it's kind of pointless. But it'll come with 2 different set screws to use. So you'll have to look at your antenna and figure out which one it uses, whether it's the big one or the little one. And you just compare it. So I already know that for the Bronco, it's going to be the fat little one. So let's pull this thing out sometime today. There we go. Cool. So you'll have a red side and a yellow side. The red side goes into the bullet. So we'll screw that in first before you put it on the vehicle. You just screw it in until it stops. There we go. And then it goes straight into the antenna receiver. Like that. Boom. All done. Now let's look at it. Cool. So, there you have it. The symbol faces the right-hand side of the vehicle, but that's not how it is on my truck. On the truck, it faces the windshield, but whatever. Looks good. Better than that big old one that was on there before. We'll see how the reception goes. Whenever I had it on my F-150, it was fine. But there you have it, guys. That's how you put a what was this ronnin factory antenna on here. I'll let you know how this signal goes, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you next time.